Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me back with another video, and I'm gonna be playing Piggy with my sister. So now let's join her. What? If you guys want to see my gaming setup, alright, so here, I'll make a deal, alright? 20 subscribers, gaming setup, and face. But if we get 30, then I'll do the webcam with me playing. So, let me see my sister. Okay. Yeah, I'm in. Which one are we doing? Book. Yeah, there. Why is there no sound? Oh, that's fine. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Y'all hear that? Piggy's right next to us. Oh shoot. Alright. Yo, what is happening? What is happening? Is she lagging? Oh shit. Oh hell nah, bro. We gotta run. We gotta run, bro. We gotta run. Yo, where you at? I'm gonna say that. Where you at? Where you at? Oh no. Oh no. Oh shoot. Damn, bro. I knew I was about to get killed. If you guys want me to do PlayStation, I'll do it. Sorry. Nope. Nope. My sister, she's right here. That is my sister. I'm gonna drink some water. Stay healthy, guys. Alright. Woof. Alright. So, my sister right now. Yo, run, 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 run! How much is it? Run! No, she got killed. I'm gonna ask her to if we can play. What game should we play? You want actually, Murder Mystery is kind of dead, honestly. It's dead actually. Okay, there. We want to play another game. Alright. Let's go and see what games you want to play. Alright. Alright, let's see. She can't play Emergency Respawn because that game is 100 something Robux. You wanna play Escape the Dungeon Obby? Alright, join me. So I just talked to my sister. But you know, yeah. So I'm just waiting till it joins. Alright, join me, I'm in. There you go. What? Bro, I barely even touched that. How did I die from that, bro? I barely even touched it. Watch, 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 watch. Alright, now I touched that, but like, what? Bro, this game is so rigged. I'm not even kidding. run up here. Damn. Ba. Bada boom boom. Bow. Ooh. Organical oof sound. Now, I don't really play this that much, because you guys saw it's all the way at the end. But I was like a better gamer than a better player at this. See, this place, it keeps on messing me up. I hate it. Because you have to make this big, humongous jump. And it's annoying, bro. I'm not even kidding. See? See, they don't even put it too close. But, like, honestly, I probably just need to get a better jump, yeah. Oof. Oof. Watch me. Oof. 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 There we go. Alright. Now these are, yeah, see? They're gonna chop you like a burrito. Go! What? That one's way too fast. What is that? Yo, no, I'm good. What is that? See, what is that, dude? It's why I just need to get, like, you know, a closer. Oh, I probably just need to get, like, closer to this, probably. Yeah, see? Now, go. Alright. There we go. Ah! You died. Good luck for you to get on that stage. Alright. I'm gonna be waiting for my sister up here. Damn, these are long stairs, bro. If only I can run that fast with actual stairs. Damn. He did. Alright. I know it's either this one or that one. No, it's that one. Watch. See, I knew it. What level are you on? What level? Oops. Level are you on? Alright, no, she's on level 3. Alright, which means that I'm on level, what level am I on? Oh, I'm on level 5, so she's 2 levels ahead before me. Okay, well, that's one of them. That's not, I do not know who that is. But, yeah. What is this, boy? What? Oh, none of my keys are working. What? Yo, what's happening? Is my thing actually getting controlled? Look, I'm not even doing anything, I swear. There we go. Finally. I swear I'm not touching anything. What? What is happening? This is a key. Are you kidding? Is that actually a key? Alright, these are the easiest ones. Come here, boy! Oof. 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 Watch me, I'm about to step on one of them. What level is my sister on? 3. She probably wanted to go do something. How? Dude, my mouse, something is wrong with this game. It's so rigged. What? What is happening, guys? What is happening? Alright, I jump here. That's good. That one, I don't even need to jump. This one, I jump. This one, I jump. This one, I jump. This one, I jump. Watch, look at my feet. This one, I jump. See? Where did I touch that? Where the heck did I touch that? Nope, I would not like it. Alright. Let me see. Okay, I jump here, that's good. I don't need to jump, but I do it. I know, right? Level 3 is hella mean. I go here. Thank you! Alright. There. Look. What did he say? Looks like we can only go down. No, it looks like we can only jump down. Aha! If I die from fall damage, I'm not. Hey, that was easy. What? Bro, are you kidding me? What? Oh, bro, I'm lagging. Oh, I'm not really lagging, but what is this? Oh, how did I not fall? Bro, is there like an invisible line? How did I not fall? That's so strange. What? Can I just fall? That was easy. Alright. I gotta run this one. I forgot about that part. That part is so annoying. It made me want to hack this person. I can't though. Oh! Oh shoot, okay, so I see. Right. So the spikes only go down when you touch the rocks. And I'm not on the rocks. Yeah, I beat this. Let's go. Alright, I go here. Oh, bro, I was so close to falling. What is that sound? Who else heard that? What was that? I feel like I'm Gucci Mane in 2006. I just died because of lava and I don't want to make sense. What? Nope, no thanks. I'm good. Oof. 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 Ah! Oh wow. I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna be a sound. I bet it's that guy with the poor little rift in his mouth. Alright, well that's gonna be it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.